Imagine nourishing your body in a way that also keeps your kidneys in top shape. Your kidneys are vital organs that filter out toxins, balance fluids, and manage hormones. Protecting their health is crucial, and it starts with what you eat. From fresh fruits to hearty grains, certain foods pack a powerful punch when it comes to kidney health. Understanding which foods to incorporate into your diet can boost your kidney function and overall well-being. Whether you're looking to maintain your kidney health or improve it, knowing the right foods is key. Let's dive into some of the best choices that can keep your kidneys functioning smoothly and efficiently. First, why your kidneys are so important. Your kidneys play a crucial role in your overall health by filtering waste, excess salts, and fluids from your blood, ensuring that your body stays balanced and functioning properly. Proper nutrition supports these essential functions, aiding in disease prevention and optimizing health. Given their vital role, understanding what to eat and what to avoid becomes important. Your kidneys work tirelessly to filter out toxins from your blood, so it's particularly harmful to overload your body with substances that can increase their workload. Here are specific foods and substances you should limit or avoid to maintain kidney health. 1. Alcohol and processed foods. Both can be extremely taxing on your kidneys due to their high toxin content. Alcohol in particular can dehydrate you, further stressing your kidneys. Next, high salt foods. Consuming a lot of salt can lead to fluid retention and elevate blood pressure, stressing your kidneys. High potassium foods. If you have kidney disease, high potassium foods may pose risks such as impaired kidneys might not be able to handle potassium regulation well, affecting your heart rhythm and overall health. High phosphorus foods. Phosphorus can accumulate in your body when kidney function is compromised, leading to bone and heart problems. Excessive protein. While protein is essential, too much can burden your kidneys, especially if they're already strained. To alleviate strain on your kidneys, consider replacing high-risk foods with kidney-supporting alternatives. Opting for fresh, unprocessed foods can help enhance your kidney health and improve your overall well-being. 15 foods that support kidney health. 1. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are ultra-hydrating and excellent for your kidneys because they help cleanse them with high water content. They're also low in potassium, making them ideal for those managing kidney health. Add cucumbers to your diet by dipping them into bean-free hummus or enjoying them as a fresh light salad. 2. Cherries risk gout risk by 35%, which is crucial as gout can occur when kidneys are not functioning properly. Try adding cherries in a smoothie with pitted cherries, coconut milk, chia, or flax seeds. 3. Cauliflower. This cruciferous vegetable supports your body's detoxification process. Cauliflower is particularly beneficial due to its richness in vitamin C, folate, and fiber. Add cauliflower to your meals by roasting it with honey or garlic or making cauliflower rice for a healthy side dish. 4. Bell peppers. Red bell peppers are low in potassium and rich in water, aiding in hydration. They contain lycopene, which reduces high blood pressure and possesses anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Enjoy sliced bell peppers with dips or in roasted form in a taco bowl or stir fry. 5. Garlic. Garlic is great for detoxification and has anti-inflammatory properties. The compound allicin in garlic supports kidney health by reducing hypertension and oxidative stress. Incorporating garlic into your dishes with vegetables like bell peppers or cauliflower for enhanced kidney protection. 6. Onions. Onions, rich in flavonoids and antioxidants, help lower blood pressure and support kidney health. They also add great flavor to your dishes, reducing the need for added salt. Use raw chopped onions in salads and stir fries or season meats with onion powder. 7. Cranberries. Cranberries prevent the adhesion of bacteria in the urinary tract, supporting kidney health effectively. Incorporate cranberries by adding dried ones to salads, making homemade cranberry sauce, or blending frozen cranberries into smoothies. 8. Blueberries. Known for high antioxidant levels, blueberries support inflammation reduction and boost renal function. Enjoying a serving of blueberries over coconut yogurt or blended into a smoothie for kidney health. 9. Strawberries are rich in fiber and anti-inflammatory, reducing inflammation and risk of type 2 diabetes, which can affect the kidneys. Slice strawberries for breakfast sides or as a healthy snack with nuts and seeds. 10. Raspberries. Low in potassium and high in antioxidants, raspberries help reduce inflammation and prevent diabetes-related kidney damage. Add frozen or fresh raspberries to smoothies or mix them in with other berries over coconut yogurt. 11. Olive oil. Olive oil's anti-inflammatory benefits are perfect for replacing refined vegetable oils that can adversely affect your health. Use olive oil in salad dressings, over vegetables, or as a marinade basis for meats and poultry. 12. Salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon helps lower blood pressure and combat body inflammation, beneficial for kidney health. Include wild-caught salmon in your diet with chopped garlic and cauliflower rice for a kidney-friendly meal. Number 13, apples. Low in potassium and rich in fiber and antioxidants make a healthy snack for those watching their potassium levels. Enjoy sliced apples with almond butter or baked apples with honey and cinnamon. Number 14, red grapes. Red grapes contain resveratrol, which helps prevent insulin resistance, a diabetes contributor, and acts as an antioxidant. Add sliced red grapes to a chicken salad or freeze them for an icy treat. 15, mushrooms. Mushrooms provide ergosterol, which converts vitamin D, crucial for preventing early signs of kidney disease. Incorporate mushrooms like cremini or portobello into omelets or stir fries to boost your kidney health. Taking care of your kidneys is crucial for your overall health, and choosing the right foods can make a significant difference. By incorporating kidney-friendly foods like cucumbers and cherries and cauliflower into your diet, you're not just supporting kidney function, but also enhancing your general wellness. Remember, it's about making smarter choices, opting for fresh and unprocessed options over those that can burden your kidneys. Embrace these changes, and your kidneys will thank you for it.